this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category second. Category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Six categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rooms are not allowed in this property. The location of the property is outstanding. Guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Checking time of this property is 3 p.m. The checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.